Hello junior high students and welcome to our art methods tutorial video on a digital collage tool. Alright, for today's agenda, we're going to discuss a digital collage tool known as Remove Background, and we'll go through a little walkthrough about it. And then after that, at the end, I'm going to do a little thing where I want you guys to remember certain aspects of this website to help you become more proficient with it and really easy and user-friendly for you to use. So when we begin our digital collage unit, everything goes as smooth as possible. Alright, jumping right into the website in question, it is called Remove Background. So basically, you put an image in this website, and through all of its computer and technology and how it's programmed, it's going to suck away the background, get rid of it, make it transparent, so you're left with a really nice object. And so the URL that we're going to be looking at is right here. So if you guys wanted to take a moment, pause the video, write this URL down and pop it into an address bar and play with it as you're listening to the tutorial or after the tutorial, definitely feel free to do so. But without further ado, we are now going to take a look at that site. So looking here, as soon as you pop that link into the address bar, this is what's going to pop up. And so the things you're going to be using is either this blue upload image or our hotkeys of paste, which is Control V. And so for this project, mostly I want you guys to find images from Google. So I've already gone ahead and pre-selected images I wanted to use. So I really wanted to use this image of a daisy, so I right-clicked on that image and selected Copy Image. After I've done that, I'm going to go back to our website tab right here and click the hotkey buttons for pasting, which is Control V. And after I get that in there, this program's going to suck away that background, make it transparent, and look at that. It's a really nice digitally cut daisy that looks super beautiful. But let's say this image really didn't do a good job in taking out what I wanted out. So it has this nice tab right here called Erase/Restore. And you can toggle between the two buttons here. So now that this erase button's all grayed out, that means I'm playing with an eraser. So let's say I wanted this middle part out. I can sit here and erase the middle part. That looks awesome. Now I want to restore some of that green background. So I'm going to take that here and start restoring some of that. And you can change your brush size toggle right here, moving it up or down. And so that's one way you can kind of get the right image you want. But let's say after all of your edits, you're like, this is not looking like the great image to me. Then you can press the exit button right here, or you can select the download button here. Let's say I didn't like those edits, and so I click exit, everything's fine, and then you click this blue button for download. Alright, so that's one way to do one picture. Let's say I wanted to look up another picture. So I pre-selected this image of this nice cat, and since Halloween's coming up, I thought a nice black cat would be super fun. And so I copied that image, I right-clicked, I clicked the copy image wording, and now I'm going to go over here and use my hotkeys of Control V, paste it in, and let this website do its magic. Alright, so we got that nice cat, and then we're left with this cat. So we can see up here we're missing some part of the cat's fur, and we're missing part of the cat's tail. So basically what happened, why we didn't get the image we may have wanted of this nice cat with this tail, is because there is no high contrast in this image, which means there's not a lot of differing colors. It's just a lot of dark tones, so it's really hard for this website to pick out what's really standing out and what you want to keep. Alright, after going through that website, those are the main things I want you to look through and use for digital editing and digital collaging. So things for you guys to remember is Control+C equals copy, Control+V equals paste, those are known as hotkeys. Then right-clicking on the mouse will bring a drop-down menu so you can click copy image. And lastly, for digital collaging images with this website, you have to find images that are high contrast colors. So basically colors that are very, very different from each other. And with that, guys, thank you so much and happy creating!